in order to making you preparation for all the Olympiads and Navodaya and all, yesterday I have already told you the basics of mensuration, like what is triangle, what is quadrilateral, what is cube, what is cuboid. I have given you all the detailed specification about these structures. So today we are just going to start how we calculate the areas, how we calculate the perimeters, how we calculate the diagonals or all these mensuration structures, right? So the first part I have told you that it starts from triangle, right? So in triangle we have bifurcated in two parts, one from the like angle point of view and another is side point of view. So from the side point of view it was bifurcated in the three parts. One was the equilateral triangle, another was the isosceles, and the next was scalene. And so angle wise, when we are calculating the area, right? So this is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, here it is 90 degree. This is called length. This is breadth. And this is hypotenuse. Right? So, in order to calculate the area of this triangle, we will calculate 1 by 2. Area क्या हो जाएगा इसका? Area is equal to 1 by 2 into length into breadth. Right? So 1 by 2, suppose this is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter, which is 6 centimeter square. Right? अब मान लो, suppose we are, this is one formula which is to calculate everything is called the Pythagoras formula. Pythagoras was a very good mathematician. He was a very prominent mathematician. He gave the formula that h square, मतलब hypotenuse square is equal to L square plus B square. अब यहाँ से if you want to find L square, then it will come like h square minus b square. Similarly, if you want to find b square, then it would be h square minus L square. And suppose if you want to find h, then h is equal to L square plus b square under root. Under root हो जाएगा. Similarly, if you want to find L square, then it will be h square minus b square. And if you want to find L, then under root h square minus b square. Fine. So suppose you have the option like you know L and B, then you can find h. If you have h and b, then you can find L. If you have L and b, then you can find h. Right? So this is how we can calculate. And if you want to find the area, suppose this is 5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, then the area is equal to
1 by 2 into 5 into 3.
Right? And suppose this is 5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. You have to find B. Then B is equal to what? Suppose this is 5 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Now you have to find L. Then what will you do? L is equal to under h square minus variance. So it would be under root 5 square minus what? 4 square. This is how you can find. Like 25 minus 16, which is under root 9 is equal to 3 centimeter. Fine. So this is 3 centimeter. Now, if you want to find the area of this triangle, then what? 1 by 2 into area 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter. So it would be 6 centimeter square. right? If the triangle are right angle triangle, then this is how we calculate the area of that triangle. Now, suppose the triangles are in the sideways, like one is either isosceles, equilateral or scalene. Then the area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into length into base, same, nothing changed. But here you have to find this would be the height of the triangle. Okay, so instead of breadth you can see here it is height, length into height. So this would be the length, this would be the height, or you can say base also, whatever. So 1 by 2 into base into height, in 1 by 2 into base into height. So this is how you calculate the area of the triangle. Now, understand? So when we will complete the exercises, we will cover. I am just giving you an idea of these things. Another, in quadrilateral, we generally find we will come one by one, but now we are moving towards rectangle. In quadrilateral, the first one is rectangle. So I have already told the definition about the rectangle, but here suppose ABCD is a rectangle. So this would be the length, this would be the breadth. So the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, L into B. Suppose this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. So the area would be 12 centimeters square. Similarly, the perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, right? So 2 into 3 plus under post 2 into 3 plus 4. So 4 plus 3, 7. So 3.5 centimeter. So this would be the perimeter. And suppose how many diagonals are here? There would be 2 diagonals here. One is AD and another is CD. So both should be equal in AB should be equal to CD. BC, sorry. AD should be equal to. Okay, Adu? Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So suppose you have to calculate the diagonal of this rectangle, then the diagonal is equal to, if D is the diagonal, then the diagonal is equal to under root L square plus B square. So under root 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 9 plus 16. 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. तो कितना हो गया? 5. Diagonal is 5 centimeter, right? Next one is, I am just giving you the basics. Okay? For basic में we have to find everything. Area of rectangle, area of triangle, area of cube, area of cuboid, area of cylinder, area of cone. These all the basics we will find it here, right? Next one is area of square. Square is A, B, C. These all should be right angle. These all should be
Right angle.
And AB should be equal to BC. BC should be equal to
CD.
CD, and CD should be equal to AD. These all sides should be equal. So the area of square is equal to side into side. मतलब side square. ठीक है, साइड स्क्वायर. Suppose this is 5, then the 5 into 5 is equal to 25 centimeter square, right? Then the diagonal would be, sorry, perimeter takes. Perimeter is equal to, perimeter is equal to 4 into side, right? Adu,
Yes, right.
perimeter is equal to
4 into side.
4 into side. So suppose side is 5 centimeter, then what would be the perimeter?
5 into
4 into 5,
4 into
yeah.
5, yeah.
So 20
Into 4, I see
centimeter.
it.
20 centimeter. Next one is diagonal. Diagonal होता है under root 2 into side. Just remember it. Under root, suppose this is the diagonal. So the diagonal would be under root 2 into side.
Right.
I will prove it in the next chapter. But ये इतना भी you have to remember it. Under root 2 into side. Suppose the side is equal to 5, then the diagonal is equal to under root 2 into 5. Or we can write it 5 under root 2 centimeter. Done? So this is how you calculate the area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of
square.
square. And now we will learn the area, diagonal, everything of that cube, cuboid, area of cylinder, volume of cylinder, area of cone, volume of cone. All these we will learn in this. I think tomorrow we will finish that. Okay. अभी हम सारा एक्सरसाइज करते हैं इसका. Okay. Okay.